Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to add custom stickers and emojis to Samsung Galaxy home screen. To add custom stickers and emojis to our smartphone's home screen, we're gonna have to first download the Good Luck application that is available both in Galaxy Store and Play Store. So just open whichever is closer to you or the one that is available in your region, and then find the Good Luck application in it, download and install it, then launch it, then agree to terms of service to proceed, and then we're gonna have to download and install the home app extension, which you can find right here. So download and install it, and then open it. Then in home app extension, first of all switch this toggle to the right to turn it on, then go to home screen, turn on the home screen too, then go to DIY home screen and enable your DIY home screen. Now go back to your device's home screen, hold your finger down on an empty space of it, then tap the DIY icon in the top right corner of the screen and tap on the emoji icon in the top left corner of the screen. And here we can find many different different stickers types that we can add to this to our home screen. But if you're looking for really looking for some custom ones, tap the plus icon in the bottom right corner of the screen and download some custom sticker packs for your smartphone. Now some of them are free, some of them are not so free. Just find the one that you like, for example this one, and tap download. And once the sticker pack is downloaded, we can add the stickers to our home screen. Not only that, but we can also resize them, we can rotate them, we can rotate them sideways, we can copy and paste them, we can remove them, we can basically do whatever we want with them. And we can also make them open applications for us by tapping right here and then selecting launch app, and then for example clock. And now by tapping on this sticker, we will open the clock application. Or we can also make them, for example, bounce or perform any other animations, some other animations. For just select the sticker that you added and then tap right here, and then here, and then bounce, and now this sticker will bounce every time we tap on it. Now I have the double tap screen turning off feature enabled, and that's how you do it. And there's a lot more you can do with your stickers, so I recommend exploring this application more on your smartphone. And that's basically it for this video. I hope that you found it helpful, and if you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.